Hello, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto channel. In this video, I want to talk about Kiba Inu and also I want to show you how to buy Kiba Inu on Gate.io. Today, Kiba Inu was listed on Gate.io. Trading is open at the moment and we can start trading from today, which is great news. A lot of people don't know how to use Gate.io, so in this video I will show you all of the steps how to buy Kiba Inu, and also I'm going to talk about the price of Kiba. So watch this video until the end. Don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe, and also remember that this is not financial advice and I'm not financial advisor. This is just video tutorial on buying Kiba Inu on Gate.io. When things goes to crypto, you should always do your own research and you should be very careful. So the first thing to do is make Gate.io account if you don't have it, because there are some bonuses for new users, so you can start making an account on Gate.io. I will show you how to do it. In the description of this video, you will find out this link. This is the sign up link on Gate.io. You should click this link and start making account on Gate.io. It's very simple, but first of all, I will show you a few things. Complete beginner's tasks and claim $100 Gate.io points. Trading claim 5,500 worth of USDT. Stable and reliable since 2013. Provides 1,000 plus currencies, digital trading assets. So these are the bonuses for new users. Before you start registration, please check this list because there are restrictions for some countries. And before you start filling your personal details, please check this list. After you will finish, then log into your account. After you will log into your account, then the next thing you should do is buy USDT on Gate.io, because to buy Kiba Inu, you need to swap your USDT to it. So first of all, go to buy crypto, choose one of these options. For example, I will use credit card. In the right gap, you should enter the USDT, which is second in the list, and in the left gap you should enter the amount of USD you are going to pay. The minimum payment is 30 USD, so we can choose 30 USD. Here are some service providers. Select one of the service providers. For example, I will show you how to use Banksum. You can see that you are paying 30 USD and you will receive 28.28 USDT, and the fees will be only 60 cents. So check this and go to purchase. I will remind you that Gate.io has got very low fees. They don't have gas fees, and you can buy this token on Gate.io with extremely low fees. So if everything is correct, click create order and finalize your payment. After you will finish this process, then you will have USDT on your Gate.io balance. To check your balance, go to wallet. Here you will find out your USDT balance. So everything is ready to buy Kiba Inu on Gate.io. To buy Kiba Inu, you should go to trade and click spot trading. In the search bar, type Kiba and choose Kiba to USDT. Here in this gap, you should enter the amount of USDT you are going to pay. For example, I will choose 100 USDT, and for 100 USDT, I will receive this amount of Kiba tokens. So if everything is correct, click buy, enter your fund fast and finalize the payment. After you will finish this process, then you can check your wallet. After a few minutes, go to wallet, click spot count, and here you will find out your Kiba Inu's balance. So it's very simple. We bought Kiba Inu on Gate.io. If you're new on this platform, I suggest you to start using this platform because it's in top 10 exchanges in the world. It's one of the best exchange. It has very simple trading platform. The fees are extremely low and this platform is safe. So we bought Kiba Inu on Gate.io. Also, I wanted to show you a few things about Kiba Inu. You know that Gate.io listed Kiba Inu. Today there was a startup and Kiba Inu finished this startup successfully. You can check this tweet on Kiba Inu's official Twitter page. So they smashed the minimum requirement and they finished this startup successfully. So that's all I wanted to tell you in this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking like button. And thank you for subscribing. See you in the next video.